Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to make anabolic beef liver pate. I figured I wanted to eat some sort of snack that would fit with the lion diet, even though I am no longer doing that. But beef liver pate is really healthy. It's got, beef liver, which is really healthy, onions, garlic, all the stuff that I love, all kinds of spices and stuff like that. So I'm going to be making that in this video. We've got our beef tallow right there, which is rendered beef fat, already cooking right now, and I'm going to show you what else we have to add to the recipe. So once that heats up, we're going to be adding the onions and the garlic. We've got some salt and pepper here. You eventually have to mix in some butter with it as well. And there's something else in here. We're going to be using this at some point, bone broth. And my liver. Shit, I forgot about the liver. Where is it? Here we go. The recipe calls for 1 pound of beef liver, but I think I will be making 2 pounds. We'll see how much space I have in my, what do you call it? Fucking pan, because they turned off my water, or like they turned off the water for the whole building. So, anyway, we're gonna add these onions to this right now and let's do it. So we are cooking out, that's hot. We're cooking these up. It says to do medium to low heat, so I guess we'll turn that down a little bit. I never cook on that low heat, but turn on the fan. Yeah, and then in a couple of minutes we'll add these and the spices, and that's basically it. I'm also currently making my bread, my anabolic bread, which is not looking very anabolic. They're gonna be more like anabolic crackers. Boom, baby, look at that right there. Some delicious looking bread, huh? All right, so now it's time to mix the garlic into the pan. Oh shit. All right. I'm a pro, baby. I am a pro. Now, what you're also supposed to do is mix in some herbs. I don't have any, it says you're supposed to use fresh herbs. I don't have any, I didn't buy any. But I have an herb mix, and that is what I will mix in a minute or so. Exciting. All right, so I'm going to be using this Perfect Pinch Italian seasoning. It has marjoram, basil, rosemary, thyme, oregano, savory, and sage. I think you're only supposed to use thyme and oregano. But I'm just going to use all of it. I didn't actually look to see how much I'm supposed to put in there, so we'll just eye it out. Herbs are good, right? All right, I'm going to keep stirring this until it is time to cook the liver. It says until the onions caramelize. So I don't know. Are these caramelized yet? I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to Google what that means. Hold on. All right, so I burnt the onions. God fucking damn it. So I have to do them over. What a pain in the ass. Or should I just put the burnt onions in there? I don't know. Maybe I'll just try and scrape together what I can. Maybe I'll just try raw onions. Fuck it. I'm doing raw onions and raw garlic in the pate. All right, here we go. It's liver cooking time. Now you're only supposed to cook this for 1 minute on each side. So, oops. There we go. Ow, fuck, oh my God. So I'm gonna do 2 pounds of liver. This is just 1 pound right here. So I'm gonna do 2 pounds. And then we're gonna put it in that bad boy over there. My little blender. All right, so I'm gonna do that and then I'll meet you over at the blender. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. As you know, the onions were not caramelized, they were burned. So what I did is I blended up in this little food processor thing, 1 onion and 5 cloves of garlic raw, right? And then I added the spices in here, the herbs, and you can see the little bit of pink salt and there's some pepper underneath. I have 4 these are roughly, obviously they're not all the same size, but they are roughly a half a pound each of beef liver, although, you know, give or take. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna divide this into 4, you know, very like somewhat equal parts. And we're gonna put these one at a time in the food processor. So we're gonna put 1/4 of this in one of these, and then 1 cube of butter, and then we're gonna add it in here. This is the like finished container. And that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna see how that goes. This is gonna be some interesting pate or liver soup, as it were. Okay, so here we have in here some of this, which is the onion and garlic mix. And then I cut these up and separated them into 4 pieces. So we will see how this goes right now. I have no idea. Let's take a look. Well, now it's time to add the butter. I haven't tasted it yet, but let me tell you, that shit smells really fucking strong. I'm gonna call this power pate. This honestly, this is some fucking hardcore shit right here. I can't believe nobody's ever thought of this in the bodybuilding world or the fitness world. But this is the real deal right here. All right, so we have blended everything in this. Oh, Jesus, this is what we've got right here. This is a good, how many inches is that? So, you know, the solo cup to scale. That's a good, what is that, 2 inches thick and maybe 6 inches, 7 inches long. That is a lot of freaking pate. Now it's room temperature because I just cooked it. So we're gonna throw it in the fridge, and then I tried a little bit. It's fucking some powerful shit right there, let me tell you. Leave me a comment if you've watched this far. What should I call this? I'm thinking power pate or anabolic pate or super pate or some shit. I don't know, let me think. I mean, like, tell me what you want to hear it be called. And the winner gets free acknowledgement and love from me. So let's throw that in there. Woo! And that is it. All right, everybody, it is a few hours later. We're going to try this stuff right here. I did have some of it when it was like not really cold, but it's a little mushy looking. A little mushy looking, not quite so pate-like, but oh, buddy, that's good. Look at that. Woo, man, that is funky. Wow. Wow. That is really good. What is it missing? Egg. That's what I fucking should have put in here. Egg. All right. Yeah, a couple eggs would have been better. I feel like it's missing something else. Oh man, but that is spicy. Okay, that was fun. All right, if you guys have any other suggestions for recipes or whatever you want me to make, let me know. Leave me a comment. Peace.